Our Kia Rio has a fault log that was discovered a few days ago, and it has cylinder 2 misfire, so I gotta do something about it. Super excited to receive my coil pack for the 2006 Kia Rio. So I'm gonna open this and then I'm gonna make a video on how to install this coil packs to this car. Gonna remove the top cover first. 4 10mm screws up here, bolts here, 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 and here. So you got to remove them first, and I'm gonna show you. Such dirt. So we gotta remove this 3 bolts here. So just remove this harness so we can get all of the packs out. So as you can see, there are this is 1 2 3 4. So this is the original, and I'm gonna remove this. These are number 10. Okay, the one I bought from Amazon looks pretty much the same as the original equipment. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it to this Kia. Okay, so I went ahead and replaced everything for these, and then tighten them up. Then I'm gonna put this wire harness back in place, and we're gonna test it. Moment of truth. Let's see how it goes. Okay, where are my keys? Okay. So far so good. Okay. So yeah. So let's see if this thing holds. Hold on, let's see. Okay. There, it's checking the
connected to OBDII. Engine is at operating temperature.
Okay, so I think it's good. Smoother idling now. I think it's better than what it was yesterday. Okay, so let's test if it has no fault code. Let's see. Okay, let's see everything, if it is okay. So far so good. Okay, no fault log. Okay, I think that's about does it. So everything is good. Successfully installed this coil packs in this 2006 Kia Rio. So I made it a point to keep this as reference. This is the original equipment put in here by Kia. So this is an original Kia Hyundai part. So I'm gonna keep this as reference. So I think this one is not busted because the engine code that I got earlier was for cylinder 2, and this is I think for cylinder 3 and 4. So that's it. But I just replaced the whole thing. So So hopefully there's no more misfire and no more rough idling, and I hope it gets better. So I checked the engine codes. There are no more diagnostic trouble codes that's appearing in the OBDII scanner. So I think it's a success. Very easy to fix.